Hello student, welcome to biology class, and in this video lecture we are going to discuss some important question of class 10th bio only related to heredity. Our chapter from class 10th is heredity and evolution, but in this year only heredity is selected for the examination, so we will only explain the questions related to heredity only. So our first question is, first we will discuss some MCQs, then later we will discuss about short answer type of questions. Now our first question is, exchange of genetic material take place in. So we have four options. Option A is vegetative propagation, option B is asexual reproduction, option C sexual reproduction, option D is budding. So the exchange of genetic material only take place in or during the sexual reproduction, because in sexual reproduction the genetic material comes from two individual or two parent. So the involvement of two parent result in the exchange of genetic material, or the genetic material comes from the two parent, that is male parent and female parent. So due to the genetic material comes from two parents, the in the sexual reproduction the exchange take place. So our correct option is C. Now proceed towards the second question. Our second question is, two pink colored flower on crossing resulted in one red, two pink, one white flower. Progeny, the nature of the cross will be. So we have to choose the nature of the cross, and there are four options given here. First is double fertilization, second self pollination, third cross pollination, then no fertilization. So we have discussed during the Mendel's work or experiment that in monohybrid cross or dihybrid cross, or we can say in monohybrid cross, the phenotype we have observed in monohybrid cross as 1:2:1, and from the question it is indicated, or the result is indicated as the 1:2:1 result, and which is the phenotype in F2 generation of monohybrid cross, and F2 generation of monohybrid cross obtained after self pollination. So our answer or our option will be the B, that is self pollination. Now the next question, that is third question, is here given: a cross between a tall plant, which is represented by capital T, and short pea plant represented by small t, resulted in progeny that were all tall. So tall plant, because so we have to find the region from the given option. The first option is tallness is dominant trait, second option is shortness is dominant trait, third option is tallness is recessive trait, while the fourth option is height of the plant P is not governed by gene capital T or small t. So we have discussed in Mendel's experiment that in monohybrid cross the Mendel was used the height of the plant to do his experiment. So capital T was taken as the tall plant, and small t taken for the dwarfness of the or height of the plant. So option D is the correct, not the exact uh, option, because this option is wrong option. Second, C option is also the wrong answer option, because tallness is not the recessive, shortness is not dominance. But here the option A is the correct option, because tallness is dominant, and dominant trait only represent itself in F1 generation. So F1 generation obtained after cross. So in question it is given cross between the tall and dwarf. So the result will be or the correct option is tallness of the tallness is the dominant trait, due to which all the progeny will be tall. Then next question, which of the following statement is incorrect? So we have to first let us know the statement. First statement is given as, for every hormone there is a gene. Now second is, for every protein there is a gene. For production of every enzyme there is a gene. And D, for every molecule of fat there is a gene. So we have discussed that gene is responsible for the particular protein, and option A, option B, option C, in both the condition there is a protein for a gene. Hormone is also a kind of protein. In B the protein is given, and C, enzyme is also a protein. So these three options are correct. Only the option D is incorrect, because fat has no any, or there is no gene for fat molecule. Now the next question, it is given, if a round green seeded plant, pea plant, is crossed with wrinkled yellow seeded pea plant, the seed produced in F1 generation are, the options are round yellow, round green, wrinkled yellow. So what will be our answer? We will using the cross. So there are two gametes will be produced from the capital R small I small y. So capital R small y, capital R small y, these are the two gametes from one plant, that is round and green seeded plant. And wrinkled yellow seeded plant will produce two, they also produce two kinds of gamete, small r capital Y, small r capital Y. So if we cross these together, so in F1 generation the result will be capital R, capital Y, small y. Then the second option also will give capital R, capital Y, small y. If we cross between these with another, we will also find out this. And capital R, capital Y, small y is the trait for showing round and yellow seed. So our correct option is option A, due to law of dominance. Now the second question, or the next question is, it is given here that question number 6, in human male all the chromosomes are paired perfectly except one. These unpaired chromosome is, so we have to find out we have to choose the options given here. The first option is large chromosome, second option is small chromosomes, third is Y chromosome, fourth is X chromosome. So in option there are there are two options we have to select in only one. B is carrying a single option. So what will be the possibility for the male chromosome? So in male chromosome the Y make the unpaired chromosome, and other feature of Y chromosome, it is small chromosome. So our correct option will be which carry second and third. So option A carry first, sorry, second and third, sorry, here the correct option is not given, so we can say Y chromosome we have to select in this option. The correct option is not given. The option should be second and third, because Y chromosome is short chromosome or small chromosome. So for male this is the correct match. Now the next question is, the maleness of child is determined by, so there are four options: the X chromosome in zygote, Y chromosome in zygote, the cytoplasm of germ cell which determine the sex. Sex is determined by chance. So in human being especially, the Y chromosome in zygote determine the sex of the child. That is, if the Y chromosome is present in X chromosome, there will be the male offspring. Or on other hand, if Y chromosome is not present, if Y is not present, so only XX, then there will be the female child. Now the next question, a zygote which has an X chromosome inherited from the father will develop into a. So if from the male father X chromosome inherited to the offspring, so there will be the possibility of having a girl. Now the next question is given here, that a new species may be formed if. So there are four regions. The first region, DNA undergoes significant change in germ cell. Second, chromosome number changes in gametes. There is no change in its genetic material. And fourth is mating does not take place. So for the formation of new species, the option given, that is first is DNA undergoes significant change in germ cell. So germ cell and somatic cell, there are two cells found in our body. So germ cell or changes in germ cell result in the change in species or change in particular organism, because germ cell transfer from parent to their offspring. So the first region may be correct. The second, chromosome number changes in the gametes. So in the gametes the number of chromosome will be changed, then there will also be the possibility of making. There is no change in genetic material, so this option may not be included. Mating does not take place. So if mating not take place, there is also no possibility of having new species. So our correct option is A, because it carry first and second region, and first and second region is correct for making new species. The next question is here: two pea plant, one with round green seed and another with wrinkled yellow seed, produce F1 progeny that have round yellow seed. When F1 plant are self, the F1 progeny will have new combination of character. Choose the new combination from the following. So if the F1 progeny is selfed and F1 progeny is given capital R small r, capital Y small y. So the possible gamete will be, first we need to make the gametes or possible gametes. So our possible gamete will be capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, capital R, small r, capital Y, small r, small y. So these are the gametes we have also selected in the dihybrid cross in F1 generation to find out F2 generation. And in F2 generation, the offspring formed as 9:3:1. So in 9:3:1 we have, so there are 9 which are round and yellow, 3 are round with green, and 3 with wrinkled with yellow, and 1 with wrinkled and green. So from the option round yellow, it is given round green, it is also given wrinkled yellow, also given wrinkled green, also given. So in F1 generation, from the following, so when F1 generation are self, the F1 progeny will have new combination of character. Choose the new combination from the following. So there will be new combination of round yellow and wrinkled green. So our correct option will be option B. So these are the questions explained here. In next video lecture we will also explain some important questions related to heredity.